name is Mike Coleman. I'm a developer advocate at Sysdig. I focus on open source projects, mainly Falco. Falco is a recently graduated CNCF project. We do runtime security. So basically, we track events as they happen in real time in containers, Kubernetes hosts, as well as bare metal Linux machines. We had almost 100 people in there. We were standing room only. We used Instruqt to run, I think we had 6 different labs, so people could go through various, install Falco, use Falco with this sort of scenario, this type of attack, because we're primarily a security product, so we had a lot of different attack scenarios that we were having people run through. We called it hands-on with cloud native security, and we were aiming at platform operators and Kubernetes people who weren't really security experts. And so it was really aimed at letting them understand what Falco did, get their hands on it. The workshops were super successful. People were really happy. I mean, there were people sitting on the ground doing it because we ran out of tables. I do a lot of speaking, I do a lot of workshops, and I measure success for me. One of my main metrics is how many people walk out. I don't feel like we lost anybody during the workshops. Everybody stuck around. As a matter of fact, we had to pry them out of their seats because we had another event starting. So I'm super happy with it, and the feedback I've gotten has been universally positive. The hardest part about running workshops is, at least for me, it's not writing it, it's like, how am I gonna host it? And how am I gonna deal with, I've got 5 people or 50 or 100, and with Instruqt, we can just build the lab, provision it out at runtime, and it all works out really well, and it's super scalable for us. I love hands-on labs because that's where you really, I think, the learning can connect. I can tell you everything, but when you can sit down and play with it, that's really what we were trying to do, is really connect those dots up. One of the things we do with Instruqt is we leave the workshops running. So if people don't finish it, then we go and they can finish it at a later date. And then we do go back and be like, okay, where did they stop? Is there something in the workshop that we can improve to get them to go all the way through? If you want to get involved with Falco, you can find us on the Kubernetes Slack in the Falco channel. We do workshops all over. If you want to have us do a Falco workshop, hit us up in the Slack. We'll come to your town and do the workshop. Check out falco.org. We're also on LinkedIn and Twitter.